Picking up right where we left off, we were talking about the present value of an annuity. Let's go with example 3A. A person buys a computer. She pays $75 a month for 48 months at an interest rate of 12% compounded monthly. What is the present value of the loan? So this is going to tell us what's left over on the loan that she took out. So let's start with our formula, and then we can determine what we need. PV, this is 1A, not 1A, 3. PV is equal to R, bracket 1 minus, bracket 1 plus I, the negative N, big bracket, all over I. We're looking for PV. I know that my R was, what should you say, $75, pays $75 a month, 75. I know that my interest rate was 12% divided by 100, that's 0.12. And she's doing that monthly, so divide by 12 again, 0.1. And it actually tells us 48 months total. So it's 4 years, 12 months in payments. They could have told it that way as well, but they gave us N. Put that into our formula, 75, big bracket, 1 minus bracket 1 minus 0.1 minus 48, end bracket, all over 0.1. Plunk that into your handy dandy calculator, multiple steps if you need to, but you should come out with $2,800, 2848.05 as a remaining amount on her loan. That's an expensive computer if she's paid for 4 years and still owes $2,800. Question B, a person buys a car for $35,750. The loan is repaid over 5 years. What the dealership offers an interest rate of 0.5% annually. What is the annual repayment of the loan? How much is R? There we go. Let's start with our formula. 3B, 3B, PV is equal to R, bracket, 1 minus, 1 plus I, minus N, over I. What do we know? We know that right now the person owes $35,750. That's our PV, 35,750 is equal to my R. That's what we're trying to calculate. What's that yearly payment? 1 minus, bracket, 1 plus. I is 0.5% divided by 100, 0.005. And how many times are they making that payment? It's annual, so it's 1. So that's the same, 0.005, bracket, minus. And how many times are they making that payment? It says it's paid off over 5 years, making 1 payment per year. So N is 5 times 1, or just 5. 0.005. Again, working backwards, doing some math, I get 178.75 is equal to R times, is an ugly number, 0.0246293316. R being equal to, when I do the division, 7257.61. So a yearly regular payment of $7,257.61. This one's a little different because it's a yearly payment as opposed to the monthly payment ones that we've already been looking at. Over the page, a couple more to go. Talk a little bit about mortgages. Problem solving involving mortgages and annuities. A mortgage on a home is $500,000. The effective interest rate on the loan is 3.6 compounded monthly for 25 years. What's the approximate monthly payment for this mortgage? So let's fill in our formula. PV 2, R bracket, no, wrong bracket. 1 minus 1 plus I minus N over I. What do we need to figure out? Well, we need to figure out I. That's 3.6 over 100, which is 0.036. And it's monthly, so I got to divide that by 12, which is 0.003. My principal value, or not my present value, I mean the house is $500,000, or the loan is $500,000, mortgage actually. R, don't know. Oops. R, don't know. 1 minus 1 plus 0.003 minus N. Oh, we didn't look at N. Monthly payments for 25 years. 12 times 25. What was that? 300? We did that before. 300. All over 0.003. Again, working this backwards. 1500 is equal to R times 0.59288 21973. And then R is equal to 2530. 0.01. I just realized I'm talking really low. I'm hoping that's picking up as I'm speaking. That was 4A. I'm going to say, you know what? Question B. Person saved $200,000 in investments for retirement. The investment earns 4% interest, compounded quarterly. There's a bit of a different one. At the age of 65, how much money can the person withdraw quarterly to have enough money until the age of 90? Let me see. I don't think there's anything too crazy. Times. Yeah. I'm going to say you give this a whirl. You give this a whirl. You're calculating for capital R or B. You're calculating for capital R. And I'll tell you, if you pause the video now and work on it, I think I hesitated long enough there. Hopefully you pause the video. R should work out and equal to 3,173.15. There. That would be the end of the financial math videos or financial literacy videos. We'll see you next time.